Moving on, the gauntlet has been thrown and the Battlelines drawn between investment firm Britam and a team of former employees. But who scooped Acorn's real estate pipeline deal? Britam is accusing the team of defrauding the company of some 3.94 billion shillings, but the team says Britam is just unhappy with its entry into the private equity market. Adelaide Changole brings us the intrigues that created one of the most interesting fraud cases in the country's history.
Grab your popcorn and prepare for fireworks as investment firm Britam begins what promises to be one of the most interesting corporate fraud cases in the country. The firm is going after the 4 former employees who left the company 2 months ago and then stole Britam's thunder by making away with Acorn's 40 billion shilling real estate deal, which Britam had hoped to piggyback on to tap into opportunities into Kenya's property market. And now Britam is accusing the 4, among them Edwin Dande, who was the CEO of Britam's asset management arm, BAM, Elizabeth Nkuku, who was a senior portfolio manager, Shiva Rora, who was an investment analyst, and Patricia Wanjama, who was the head of legal, of allegedly defrauding the company of some 3.94 billion shillings. But in a quick rejoinder, the former BAM executives who have since set up a real estate-focused private equity fund, dubbed Seaton, say the suit is filed in and motivated by malice, bad faith, and intense business rivalry, given that it came after the firm had teamed up with Acorn to snatch the 40 billion shilling property deal from Britam. Acorn, in which Britam has a 25% stake, is also not going down without a fight. The firm says the 3 lawsuits filed by Britam, in which various allegations of impropriety have been alleged, are completely contrived and framed with the intention of damaging Acorn's reputation. Both Seaton and Acorn Group says they will be filing a response to the suits within the time directed by the court. Britam had drawn up elaborate plans to capitalize on the real estate developments being undertaken by Acorn, among them setting up the BAM Real Estate Fund and starting the process of issuing the country's first real estate investment trust, REIT, to bankroll its property projects. But Seaton won the deal instead.
It will make it much easier for Acorn because this team was part of crafting and putting together this deal pipeline.
After the news broke, Britam was among the biggest losers of the day after its share lost 6.9% of its value to trade at 27 shillings. Adelaide Changole, KTN Business.